This is how you can generate big profits with casino offers from Algo affiliates. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run casino campaigns and make big returns with Algo affiliates. Online casino affiliate offers are one of the easiest and most profitable verticals among affiliate marketers. People love casino games. The chance of winning big keeps them hooked. And since online casinos exist, they can play anytime from anywhere from a laptop or from their phones. This makes it relatively easy for affiliates to draw customers to their online casino offers. This vertical is also great for beginner affiliates, because they can start testing with relatively low budgets thanks to the simplicity of these offers. But it can also be a goldmine for expert affiliates, who can scale these offers with huge spend. How to choose and where to find casino offers. When it comes to finding and choosing offers for your campaigns, you need to find a CPA network that is reliable and has high-quality casino offers with high conversion rates. Such network is Algo affiliates. They've been around for many years now. They have all kinds of offers and a ton of affiliates are working with them, so they are approved by other real affiliates as well. Choosing a good CPA network and affiliate offer is crucial because if the offer sucks, you won't be able to make it convert no matter how much money you spend on your campaign. So keep that in mind. When it comes to choosing specific offers for your campaign, you should talk to your affiliate manager at Algo affiliates, and he will help with choosing the best casino offer based on your traffic type, geo, etc. You can also ask them which geos are doing great on native traffic, for example, and test those geos since those are already proven to work by other affiliates. Algo affiliates can also give you ad creatives and pre-landers you can use, so make sure you always ask what they suggest. How to find winning creatives for your campaign. Sometimes Algo affiliates will provide creatives for the offers, and you should always ask if they can show you some of their top creatives. However, you should also spy on competitors and see what's working the best for them. There are many spy tools out there. This time we are going to run casino offers on native traffic, so we're going to use Adplexity Native as our spying tool. With Adplexity, you can easily find casinos or any other campaigns. Just simply search for the keyword casino, and you will see a bunch of results right away. To find the ones that are bringing the most profits, simply sort the ads by receiving the most traffic. After that, you can browse through the results and make notes of the top ads and landing pages and create very similar ones for yourself. You can also spy on specific geos, traffic sources, and more. By checking the traffic sources section, you will see that most casino campaigns are running on RevContent, and there's probably a reason for that. The most popular versions of creatives are bonuses and jackpots. The best example for bonuses is a roulette wheel on the pre-lander with a free bonus on the first deposit. How to set up Redtrack to track your campaigns properly. If you have ever been doing any kind of paid advertising online, you probably know how important tracking is. In case you don't know why it is so important, it's because you need to see which campaigns, ads, placements, device types, etc. are bringing conversions and which ones are burning your money. For this Algo affiliates offer, we're going to do the following. Add Algo affiliates as the affiliate network, offer source in Redtrack. Add the offer URLs we've received from our rep at Algo affiliates to Redtrack. Add our per-lander to Redtrack. Adding the traffic source. We are going to launch this campaign on native traffic, and we're going to buy traffic from RevContent, which is one of the best native traffic sources for casino and gambling offers. Then finally, we create a campaign and select the landers and offer we are going to promote. Once the campaign is saved, our final URL will be generated in the tracking links and parameters section. Once we have all this, we can set up and launch the campaign on RevContent. How to set up and launch your campaign on RevContent. First, log into your RevContent account and click on Create a Campaign Boost. Then you need to enter the usual info, campaign name, bid type, bid amount, and daily budget. The next step is the targeting settings. Select native as traffic type, select your target geo, and the device type you want to target. Whenever you launch a new offer, I highly recommend testing it on both desktop and mobile devices, but in separate campaigns, so one for mobile only and one for desktop only. Next, you need to add your final URL, Redtrack campaign link, and click Submit. After that, you can create your ads, type in your headline, brand name, upload your images, and that's pretty much it. Once you submit your campaign, you need to wait for the approval, and that's pretty much it. How to tweak your campaigns, optimize, and scale for profits. This step is probably the most important to make your campaigns profitable and scale profitable campaigns for even more profits. Before you begin, you need to let your campaign gather some data. You need data to see which campaigns, creatives, widgets, etc. are bringing conversions and which ones are burning your money. Once you have data, the first step you should do is analyzing widgets on your campaigns. If you have enough conversions or ad spend, you can start cutting widgets that are spending too much money without bringing conversions. With these casino offers, you can cut widgets after they spend the offer payout without bringing conversions. Check your ads as well and keep an eye on the CTR, not just conversions. If some of your ads have a very low CTR percent, get rid of those. Replace them with new ads that are more similar to the ones with the highest CTR. If you are testing pre-landers, do the same thing, analyze data, keep an eye on the LP CTR percent, and cut the very low CTR LPs, and use the one with the highest LP CTR. You can always add new creatives for testing to achieve the best results. Don't forget about device types if you test both mobile and desktop. See which one of your campaigns performs better and focus on that one. If there is no significant difference, continue testing both. Once you find profitable widgets, you should start scaling. Create a whitelist of your most profitable widgets and launch new campaigns with a higher daily budget, targeting those widgets only. Use your best ads and LP, and don't be afraid to put a higher daily budget on that campaign, since it's only targeting placements that are profitable for you. Don't pause your original campaign yet, keep it running. Try to adjust the bids on your best widgets and decrease on the ones that are only slightly profitable. Whenever you find new profitable widgets, you can add them to your whitelist campaign. Conclusion: casino is a very profitable vertical, and it's great for both beginner and pro affiliates. Compared to other verticals, it is relatively easy to work with casino offers and to make visitors convert. The key is to work hard on split testing and optimize your campaigns by following data. Remember, the offer is extremely important. You don't want to spend money on promoting just any random casino offer you find online. You need to make sure that the CPA network is reliable and the offer converts well. That's why we highly recommend Algo affiliates. Their offers are great, proven to work by many other successful affiliates. And last but not least, their support team is very helpful. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video will help crafting successful casino campaigns and big returns.